Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Set School Learning Management System. Class 3, Subject Mathematics, Chapter number 1, Numbers. I'm your teacher Amber Rahel. Today's subtopic is Roman numerals. Learning outcomes. At the end of the topic, students will be able to recognize Roman numerals, convert numbers into Roman numerals. Roman numerals are a numeral system that originated in ancient Rome and remained the usual way of writing numbers throughout Europe into the late Middle Ages. Numbers in this system are represented by combinations of letters from the Latin alphabets. Roman numerals are still used today. You can be found in many places such as old buildings, on clocks, watches, and on coins. You might also see them in textbooks as page numbers, chapter numbers. These are the places you can find Roman numerals. Rules for writing Roman numerals. There are certain rules to follow when writing Roman numerals. We use I, V, X to write these numbers. Rule 1. When letters are repeated, add them. For example, I equals 1 plus 1 equals 2. I equals 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. Remember that a letter cannot be repeated more than 3 times consecutively. Rule 2. If one or more letters are placed to the right of a letter with a greater value, add the values of the letters. For example, VI equals 5 plus 1 equals 6. V2I equals 5 plus 2 equals 7. VII equals 5 plus 3 equals 8. Rule 3. If one letter is placed to the left of a letter with a greater value, subtract the values of the letters. For example, IV equals 5 minus 1 equals 4. Here the greater value is V, stands for 5, and I, the value of I is 1. So this I, which is placed before V, it means this I is subtracting from V. The value of V is 5 and the value of I is 1. So 5 minus 1 equals 4. Ix is equal to 10 minus 1 equals 9. The value of X is 10 and the value of I is 1. So I is placed before X. It means this I, the value of this I subtracting from 10. So 10 minus 1 equals 9. Note, only the letter V cannot be used more than once consecutively. However, it can be appeared twice in the same number. Rule 3 does not apply if two letters are placed to the left. You can only subtract one letter. 3 cannot be written as IIV. Let's write Roman numerals from 1 till 10. Here the counting from 1 till 10 written in cardinal numbers, Roman numbers, ordinal numbers. Here 1 on the left side, 1 written in cardinal number, and in Roman numerals 1 I stands for 1, and in ordinal number this is first, 2 2i, and ordinal number second, 3 3i, third, 4 iv, fourth, 5 v, fifth, 6 vi, sixth, 7 vii, seventh, 8 vii, eighth, 9 ix, ninth, 10 x, 10th. Okay, let's write more Roman numerals from 11 till 20. Here we describe that how we get 11 in Roman. We know that if we add 1 to 10, we will get 11. So here this X stand for 10 and I stand for 1. So we can say that 10 plus 1 is 11. So we say that xi 11. For 12, x means 10 plus 2i means 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. So we write x 2i. For 15, if we say 15, we know the fact 10 plus 5 is 15. So we will write x and v for 15. Similarly, for 20, we know that 10 plus 10 is 20. So here we will write 2x for 20. So 11 stands for xi for in Roman, and 11 in ordinal, 12x 2i 12, 13x 3i 13, 14xiv 14, 15xv 15, 16xvi 16, 17xv 2i 17, 18xv 3i 18, 19xix 19, 20, 2x 20th. It's quiz time. So the first question is, what is the correct Roman numeral stands for? VI, V2I, V3I, IV. Your time starts now. I know you can do it. So, the correct answer is V2I. Very good. So, the second question is, how many days are there in 2 weeks? XV, XV2I, XIV, V2I. Your time starts now. I know you can solve it. Okay, so the correct answer is XIV 14. Very good. Okay, question 3 is, how many months are there in a year? The option is XV, second option is X2I, third option is XIV, fourth option is V2I. Your time starts now. Yes. All these options given in Roman numerals. So you can easily find out how many months. Yes. Very good. There are 12 months in a year. Great job. Okay. Question 4. Bobby is 8 years old. How do you represent his age in Roman numerals? Okay, the first option is V. Second, V3I. Third, VI. Fourth option is IX. How do you represent 8 in Roman? Yes, I know you can do it. Very good. V3I. Okay, this is the last question. The question 5 is, Farah's cat has 9 kittens. How do you represent in Roman numerals? V, V3I, VI, IX. Yes, I think you can do it. Very nice. The correct answer is IX. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.